Igbo mụrụ nze m ọzọ, anyị ekene unu ọzọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi tata. Anyị sị unu ụtụtụ ọma, efifie ọma, mgbede ọma, site na ngara ebe isi wee na-esoyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị nke taa na Igbo midia, bụ ebe anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ ife gbara ọkpụrụkpụ na-eme na ana Igbo dị iche iche, obodo dị iche iche na ana Igbo na obodo nke anyị nọ n'ime ya. Dịka o si dị, ọbụna nke a bụ mbọsị izizi gị ị na-esonyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ na Igbo midia, ekabalụ ka imetụ aka n'ebe a na-acha red and subscribe, share ekwe ya, gbakwa ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ka fasị na-esonyekwara anyị n'ihe anyị na-eme dị iche iche na Igbo midia. Dịka o si dị, o nwee nnukwu ya wetara unu ebe akwụkwọ gbasara maka ife na-eme n'obodo a. Anyị ga-achọkwu nke ya bụ ife unu ga-esia ya, unu adọrọpụrụ anyị kọmentị n'ife unu chere n'ụdị nke unu gbasara maka ya bụ ife niile ekwu n'iru akwụkwọ. Alright, over to you, sir.
Good evening, wonderful people of Biafra. Good evening, lovers of freedom. Good evening to freedom supporter. You know, as I promised you in the morning that I will be back in the evening to give you updates. I'm here to do so. How are they? Today, there was no battle today. No battle today. As I told you, that I'm tired. I've told you that I'm tired because of changing. I'm tired because of changing. I'm tired because of, you know, their eyes have been blind. Their informants have been captured. And because their informants have been captured, they are weak. They could not proceed any longer. I'm here this evening to tell you that you will keep losing. As long as this war concerns you, will keep losing. You will keep losing because you can never win and you will never able to win. You will keep losing because it is our right. This evening is a wonderful evening. But let me tell you something you do not know. As I told you that, to you, you might be thinking it's a joke. We are playing as usual. Just the same way go on say, Arimin, he knows he couldn't have spent much money for war. He could have used the money to bribe Igbo man. You try Nnamdi Kanu with a lot of money. Will you be able to convince him? Things you don't know is bigger than you. The problem you cannot solve is Biafra. Biafra is the equation you can never solve over your dead body. You can never solve it. Biafra is the equation you will never in your entire life be able to solve. And when we tell you, you think we are joking up. Your mind keep deceiving you. The criminal among us keep deceiving you. Those who were born as a criminal, who will die as a criminal, they keep deceiving you. Give me money, I will do this, I will convince them, I will defeat them, and you keep fooling yourself. Biafra is indefeatable. The money you give to the informant among us, is that money not wasted? The war you did not win. Tunumbu, the money you gave hope to ensure that he stopped this struggle, is he able to fulfill that part? No, but the money is gone. He have used the money he could have used to better your life, to buy weapon, all in the name of to come to the land of Biafra and kill the children of Biafra. Now that money have been wasted. Why won't anger kill you? The money he could have used to better your life, he have used the money to deploy terrorists from other countries, paying them every amount of money, all in the name of to come and kill us. Are they succeed? No. What happened to the money? Wasted. Why with anger, hunger not kill you? You people think we are here to joke. Give us Biafra. You say no. Conduct referendum. You say no. Let's see how the end will be. Yes. Mama, when begin when no one mama to sleep, no they see sleep. And that is what I want you to know. We are here to restore Biafra. You can't stop us. You can't stop us. Calculate the amount of money you have wasted for this 10 days of war so far. Yesterday and today, there was nothing like war. I will not count it in. For the past 10 days, how much have you wasted? You are not even one. Are you not fooling yourself? You end up foolish yourself. Everything is not by exaggeration. Everything is not by imagination. Sometimes choose dialogue. For the fact that you beat that person yesterday does not warrant you to think that you can still beat the person today or tomorrow. Changes is a constant in human being. You feel beat person yesterday. For the fact that our fathers agreed to try you one more time and see if Nigeria will be better, does not mean that we can follow the same way of our father. The mistake that kills our father can never kill us. And we have learned from the mistake our father makes. And that is why we say that we can never make the same mistake. So therefore, we have decided never to make the same mistake that killed our father. So when we tell you that we determine to be a free man, we mean every single word that we said. Gather more, you are still going to die. Buy many weapons, you are still going to lose. You came with the latest armor tanker. Are you able to succeed? The money you wasted in buying weapon could have changed the Nigeria economy. It could have given the average Nigerian better life. But because you do not care about them, you want them to die, and they will all die. It's none of our business. You came to our land to kill us. You are the one ending up dying. Sometimes you people call yourself leader, 419 leaders. You don't really think. I don't know if sometimes they remove your brain, human brain away and insert it with an animal brain that you do not even think. Your minds tell you that it's going to be easy for you like that. Never. Never. We say we want to be free. We say we want to be free. And freedom we will get. Freedom is what we are going to get. Freedom is what we are going to get. So therefore, put your effort, put your best together. Your best will be useless in a million times. Biafra must be free. What you are seeing now, what you are observing now in Nigeria, what you are experiencing now in Nigeria is a child's play. Remember, the great prophet have told you, if you did not have Somalia visa, go and acquire one. Let me tell you everything he said. He said, if you do not have bicycle, go and get yourself one. How much is fuel now per liter? He told you the second one, if you do not have Somalia visa, go and get one, because you definitely need it. And he said, if you did not kill Nigeria, Nigeria will kill you. That is why we choose to finish, to end up Nigeria, so that Nigeria will not end us all up. Yes. If we fail to end up Nigeria, if we fail to break Nigeria, Nigeria will break us. If we fail to leave Nigeria, Nigeria will destroy us, because Nigeria is a death trap. Nigeria is a graveyard. Nigeria is hellfire. Your pastor failed to tell you that Nigeria is the hellfire that I've been talking about. When you open your Bible, your slave book, and you hear where they call hellfire, hellfire is Nigeria. Nigeria is hellfire. So therefore, if we do not end Nigeria, Nigeria will end us. That is why you see us doing what we are doing. And we will continue to do it until we are totally be restore Biafra. I will still tell you, if you never vote, go and vote. And for those of you who think that selling this struggle is the best, remember, you cannot sell this struggle and remain alive. You can never sell this struggle and remain alive. That is for sure. You can't sell this struggle and remain alive. No matter how hard you try, the blood of those who die in the name of this struggle will haunt you down. You know, a lot of people die for this struggle. Do you know so many people die for the name of Biafra? Are you aware that even unborn children die for that name, Biafra? How will you survive if you go and collect money in the name of selling this struggle? How will you survive? I'm just asking a question. How are you going to survive? Because if the old man that died for this struggle did not hunt you down, the young girl will hunt you down. If she failed to hunt you down, unborn child will hunt you down. Little child will hunt you down. Boys and men, father, mother, auntie, uncle will hunt you down. And that is why go and ask Chinaza Moro, are you having peace for selling your master? Go and ask Barrister Ejiofor, do you see peace? Do you have peace? All these people are the dead men. Go and ask Ima Powerful, have you seen peace? Many of them, you can't sell this struggle and you have peace. Once you sell this struggle, your hands have been stained with blood, and now that blood will kill you. You will never have peace. Nigerians today, the terrorist Islamic State of Nigeria, can no longer fight again because one of their eyes, the mountain, our maize, have been captured. And since they did not have information again, they are useless. And we get the grant. The gods of our land know how to fish the evil one out. That is what you do not know. And that is why I will keep telling you that it does not matter how long you want this fight to go on. But at the end of the fight, Biafra will come. You cannot win us. How many souls have you wasted in the name of you want to come and kill Biafrans? You never tire. Come now. We see the now me see they talk to you, so no be robot, no be record, no be past record. Now me see they talk to you, so may you take no say. Now me today You don't see say today na 22 abi, and you don't see say time now dey 2 minutes to the hours of 7, and you know say today na Thursday now, and you equally know say today you equally know say today you no come here. So therefore, you definitely be wiped out in the surface of Biafra territory. Having said this to you, get prepared, because you think that Biafra territory is where you can come and kill their children in masses and go free. You think that Biafra territory is where you can come and take land by fire, by force. And you think that Biafra territory is where you can take the Biafran children slave. We say we don't want Nigeria. Nothing you can do that will make us to accept Nigeria. We have never been Nigerian. Our forefathers were not born Nigerians. Our fathers are not Nigerians, and we can never be Nigeria. So therefore, there is nothing you can do to make us become what we are not. You can never change our mind. So you thinking that let's kill them, the rest will take out of fear and then accept Nigeria. No be today. Let's starve them, the rest will take fear of anger, agree to be Nigeria. No be today. You can never win this war. Not in a million years to come. Have that in mind. So good people of Biafra, well-wishers, and the lovers of freedom, I'm here to tell you that they are tired. But as I told them before, that where they stop is where we start. We are beginning our own, and they are feeling it. They are feeling it. We just started to, you know what we call jungle fight. The terrorists are beginning to disappear one after the other. They can never sleep and wake up in a complete number. Ask them, they know. They can never sleep and wake up in a complete number. That is who we are. What is taking them, they don't know. So therefore, remain strong. This battle is a win battle by Biafrans, and we will never bow down, and we will never surrender. Neither are we going to retrieve. Not today, not tomorrow, and not ever. We must win this war, as we are already on the winning side. I say, let me come and update you. Today is a free day, because their eyes have been blind. They are blind, and so they will remain blind forever. and ever until Biafra is emerged. May Chukwu Okike Abiama, the gods of our ancestors, the gods of our land, guide and protect his children now and forevermore. He say, and may God destroy all those that bring mayhem, bring death in our land. May they never live to see the good side of Biafra. May they never live. May death fall upon them and their generation now and forevermore. He say, remain blessed until I come your way tomorrow. Let's see what tomorrow will give us. Thank you, and share this message to reach hope and reach Tunumbu. Share it and tell them that the people he sent hope to come and kill, they're still there, very strong and very healthy, very mighty, stronger than them. Their machinery, all of them don't run go. Shouting that these men passed them. What do you think before we pass you? Remain blessed.
And by Dalo Lineno, only if Konisi, when I saw any and many rock on Pasinketa, as a Copasinketa Mano Numa, I think which by zero, and the Cosidi, and the king of the Ifabia from Prime Minister Kuni Rockwa, Zoduki Biabo, Iabo, Ibo Media, Kaisiko when you were Kozia do Kemba, Geniki when you Basta Makaya Bifa. Kabaroke drop for your comment, your own suggestion. Ni endani the Biafran Prime Minister Kuni Rockwa. Thank you so much and stay tuned at Igbo Media. Daro no munem kemesian.